We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support here and trying to get back up towards the $1 area. And news came out today that created this explosive move. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:20 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 300% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. having an explosive move after news came out, which we're going to look over. And we're also going to look at the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run today was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area here on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock under a bull indicator at around the 43 cent area. Inflows are above on the 30-minute and canceling out this bear indicator from up here at around the 65 cent area. And a full transition into the dip area has happened. And so far, it's bounced back up from the dip area to the rip area and continuing to fight to retest the highs of the day at 87 cents in the after hours. And on the 1 hour, outflows continue to dominate and the inflows haven't picked up. It's at negative 6.04. That's going to be crucial and critical for the bulls to bring up with it. But a bull indicator has popped up here at 43 cents as well. And a full transition from the dip area to the rip area has happened. And that's going to be crucial and critical to continue to hold that bull indicator and for these inflows to start picking up in the bigger picture. Now, why did MULLEN stock jump higher? Well, the MULLEN Mullen Automotive CEO actually was disappointed, he stated in the news. You could see it here in the article with the stock's price and he's actually investigating how things are looking, but he also went ahead and purchased shares. He announced it in a shareholder letter and also in these articles that are coming out. He announced it a few days after the repurchasing news, right, of the stock, right, repurchasing program of the stock that they're planning on doing, but the stock kept pulling away from $1. And I stated, if this stock starts to fall below $1, it's going to have issues with probably delisting again. And quickly after that announcement, it seems like some shorts are covering. He also bought and probably even bought for that repurchasing program in today's price action. And things have jumped up nearly 100%, right? Now, here it is back above 80 cents. And it's going to be crucial and critical on the 15-minute for these inflows to stay above, guys. You can see those outflows beginning. If this crosses down, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness again into these charts. But if these inflows can pick up and pull away from the midpoint to the upside, hold that bull indicator true, bring that strength over into the 30-minute, that can also bring things to retest newer highs, right? Or probably retest closer to the previous resistance of $1, right? And then above that is in the history of the chart 107 and then 120, right? Those are the key levels I was watching when it was consolidating here around $1 to 95 cents. Now, what are the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and that's the 70-cent mark. And then below that, I'll be watching the 50 to 40 cent area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside if those outflows cross over here on the 15-minute to the downside. Now, to the upside, if these inflows could stay above, pick back up on the 15-minute, start to pick up here on the 1 hour, and hold these bull indicators true, well, the first resistance is 90 cents. Then above that comes $1, 107, and then I'll be watching the 115 to 120 area. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below about this. How do you feel about this and what the CEO did and how fast things are moving? Do you think this strength can continue? I look forward to seeing those comments down below. But I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow these inflow versus outflows, the bull and bear indicators, and the key levels to the upside and to the downside. I would not ignore them. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in. And now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market. And I stated, right, you could see the same line there. And I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449. And I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area. And the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important. And inflows needed a cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through. Bull indicator popped up. And then inflows crossed over. And you could see the purple area that continued to act like support. And NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270. in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it could happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision, because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.